What's the top of the Grizzly? Snow Basin. Hope we're recording. You never know.
You got a tough life.
Yeah.
What's that over there? No, the big drink. Hey guys, over here.
Wyoming's over there on this top peaks way out. Idaho over here on these top peaks all the way out. And all the way out there, if you can see it, is Nevada. It's pretty cool. Pretty crazy visibility.
You're a great host. You and Josh on my God.
Once I get through this narrow, I think I'll be fine, but not really feeling the narrow.
Just slide it down sideways.
Yeah.
This was the start of the men's down.
Yeah.
Holy
Oh yeah, Paul and Stephanie.
You've got to have some serious going at
Agreed.
to do this little hill right here. Looks like there's a little bit of powder on the right hand side, so just stick to the right side and add it down.
Kyle, you calling?
Oh shit, just flat? Yep. I need him flat. Was this on the front of the window?
This is the man.
I know. Right, see ya.
A what?
You want a countdown?
No.
Alright, here we are. Downhill, Sarah Carroll, East Field. Let's put out the wheel before we came out here. There we go down. Yeah, Eric, let me go first. I can video.
I'm going to stay with him.
God. Yeah, I can get ahead of you guys. Video you down.
Hey, Nate,
Yeah.
I think the left side of it
Yeah.
looks like it's maybe the best.
Yeah, I agree.
And if you feel out of control at all, remember, use the whole, you can go down this 10 feet at a time back and forth.
Right.
Okay, I'm up here.
Okay. You've done stuff this week.
I know. Looking at it's probably worse than feeling it, you know.
Yeah, actually, I'm looking at Ari, and it looks like the powder's pretty good on it. It doesn't look as slick like I thought it was. Yeah, he went down it nice and slow. I'm going to stay uphill from you.
Okay.
Just take it nice and easy.
Another survival run. Do it again.
Really good. Yeah.
Yeah, it was. What concerned me was that with the elevation, I wasn't going to be able to cut, and I was able to cut, and it was holding in the powder. And then I feel a shitload better about it.
Great. You look really good coming down.
It was fun. I mean, especially once it got that far, I was like, okay. I was like, then it becomes fun, you know. Do some scans.
Look at that. Look at this wall.